Kittens by Myra Cone Livingston. Remember to prove all your answers. Question 19. The description in lines 9 through 12 help the reader picture A, what a kitten's fur looks like, B, which kitten the mother cat is worried about, C, where the mother cat keeps her kittens, D, how the mother cat moves a kitten. Press pause, go back into the text, prove your answers. Question 20. In the poem, the mother cat wants her kittens to learn to feel comfortable, F, in the snow, G, around other animals, H, when she picks them up, J, when the speaker is near them. 21. Which lines from the poem rhyme? A, weeks ago, when everything outside was snow. B, and carried it outside to see. C, and then our dog decided he. Or D, and one by one, they took them out. Question 22. Read line 21 from the poem to see what sun is all about. The poet includes this line to emphasize that the mother cat, F, knows it will snow again soon, G, has had a bad experience in the winter, H, wants her kittens to explore new things, J, thinks her kittens will like the snow. 23. How are the stanzas in the poem alike? A, they tell the speaker's feelings about the mother cat. B, they have the same number of lines. C, they focus on a problem the mother cat tries to solve. D, they repeat important words. 24. The speaker most likely thinks the mother cat's actions are F, brave, G, confusing, H, annoying, J, wise. Question 25. How can the reader tell that this is a narrative poem? A, the poem contains words that appeal to their senses. B, the speaker of the poem shares his or her feelings. C, the poem has lines that make the reader laugh. D, the events described in the poem tell a story. Question 26. The mother cat takes her kittens outside because F, the dog arrives, G, the kittens grow up, H, the sun comes out, J, winter is over. Remember, you have to prove all of your answers. Go back to the text. Good luck.